Imagine a world where health is not just the absence of disease, but rather the experience of your fullest life potential. This is the world of MaxWell. MaxWell is a term that teaches us tremendously because when we start thinking about what we want out of life, this vibrant health and well-being, oftentimes we don't get the opportunity to really dive into what that is. And if we don't know what we're after, we're very unlikely to arrive at where we want to be. So MaxWell sometimes gets thought of as a shortening of maximizing wellness, and that works. But let me tell you a secret, that we are MaxWell. And MaxWell actually came out of my yoga practice, where I realized that breath is the fundamental aspect of all life. Bringing in what we need in inhale and pushing out what we no longer need in exhale. I recognize there's a lot of people who are not getting to experience health as fully as they deserved because they are either caught in inhale or caught in exhale. Think of it this way. When we inhale, we max. We're getting bigger, faster, stronger. We're striving. We're performing. That's awesome, right? But also when we exhale, that's when we well. That is when we surrender. That's when we enjoy. It's where we are allowing ourselves to be. It is being. So max is doing, well is being. And we get this amazing opportunity to ask the question, what is your MaxWell? What is your life at its highest state of performance, at its massive capacity to pursue your dreams, and in the center of this experience of getting to enjoy the journey? Our number one value statement at MaxWell Clinic is we are MaxWell. We get t-shirts with it, all of this came about with this understanding that we are always smarter, better, stronger than me. I didn't name the clinic the Haase Clinic because I wanted it to be about the results that we're seeking. I wanted it to be about every person getting to experience their MaxWell. And I wanted to see that this miraculous and wondrous team of humans and technology and intention could come together to help each person that wants to engage us to become a bigger, fuller version of themselves. This is the tensegrity. You may have seen it on my TED Talk. And this is a model of a system. A system is that thing which is greater than the sum of its parts. If these are just a bunch of dowel rods and rubber bands, but when you put them into a certain configuration and you put some energy into the system with tension, what happens is you get this dynamic, adaptable, functioning system. And MaxWell is a system. It is all the parts of you, your body, your brain, your being, your behavior, your bubble, your belonging, all of these aspects of who you are at their fullest potential. That's what MaxWell is. And the tensegrity teaches us that if I am just this dowel rod, I can't be adaptable. I can't meet the needs of whatever forces or stressors may come along. But when we are a team, it enables us to be stronger, resilient, and to bring forth more together than any of us could do ourselves. We are the solution. That means you. You are part of the solution. You are the most important part of the solution to your health. And it's a real pleasure to get to engage with patients. The clinicians we have here love getting to practice medicine this way, where we get to listen and recognize that ourselves as clinicians, our other team members, all of us as healers, as people who are expending our life force for the betterment of the patient's well-being. All of us together get to discover MaxWell, enable MaxWell, and get to enjoy MaxWell ourselves in our life and in the life of our patients. So by embracing MaxWell, we're not just improving our lives, we're shifting the paradigm of what it means to be truly well. Will you join us in this MaxWell revolution? I really encourage you to dive in, ask these questions, and embrace the fullness of your health and well-being, because the world needs you. You're incredibly important, you're incredibly valuable, and you haven't seen anything yet with regard to your life. Take care.